Okay, the next instruction asks me to select the stickers and change their colours. To do that, if I click on a sticker, you'll see the toolbar comes up the top. If I click on the colour, I can change it. I'm choosing light colours so that the text is still easy to see. The next instruction asks me to use the comment icon on the toolbar to add a comment to one of my stickers. So this would normally be used to comment on someone else's sticky or to ask them a question. So if I come across to the toolbar, you can see the comment icon. If I click on that and bring it across to here, I'm going to write the question, what language are you learning? And the comment would appear there. The next instruction says to click on one of your sticky notes to add a tag or an emoji. If I go ahead and click on the sticky again, you'll see along with changing the colour, I can also add a tag or an emoji. Tags are often used to help to group or classify items. So if I click on the tag, I'm going to type in food and it's actually already there. So I can go and click on that and you can see it appears in the sticky note. So depending on how many other stickies I'm tagging, eventually I could group all the food related stickies together.